I already have a character that has basic movements. I have tutorials to make this character, I put them on the cards. If you want, you can check them out. First, create a C# script for shoot mechanic. Make a game object. This is gonna be a projectile that we are gonna shoot. If player click left mouse button, spawn the bullet at position of character and direction that character looks. Don't forget add your script to your player character. Now let's create a bullet. I added a square and scale it, and give it a different color. Drag and drop bullet to folder, so you can use it whenever you want. And make reference to your bullet so your script can know what to spawn. Bullets are spawning perfectly, but they are not moving. Now we need to create a movement script for bullet. Create a public float for speed. With transform.translate, vector3.up, bullet's gonna move forward. Multiply it with time.deltaTime and speed. That's it. Drag and drop script to bullet object you create. Change speed as you wish. And it works. As finally, you can make bullet layers lower than player, so bullets will spawn under player. And that's it. I hope that was helpful. If it is, don't forget to like and comment. Also subscribe if you want to. See you soon.